Hi children, welcome. Welcome to today's social science class. Today I am going to start a new lesson that is from your politics, 6th chapter, rural administration. In this chapter we are going to discuss about a quarrel in the village, area of the police station, the work of the police station. Children, there is a story given in your textbook. The story is about Mohan and about the Regu. So they were farmers, and between them there is some problems. It is based on land. So that story you have to read, and at last they are going to police station and solving the problem. So that you have to read and understand it. Area of the police station. Every police station has an area that comes under its control. All persons in that area can report case or inform the police about any theft, accident, injury, fight, etc. It is the responsibility of the police of that station to inquire, to investigate and take action on the case within its area. The work at the police station. When they reached the police station, Mohan went to the person in charge, station house officer or SHO, and told him what had happened. He also said that he wanted to give the complaint in writing. The SHO rudely behaved him and said that the wasting his time writing down minor complaint and then investigating them. Mohan showed him his injuries, but the SHO did not believe him. Finally, the officer agreed. He asked Mohan to write down his complaint and also told the people that he would send a constable the next day to investigate the incident. Maintenance of land records. You saw that Mohan and Regu were arguing whether the common boundary of their field had been shifted. Isn't there a way by which they could have settled the dispute in a peaceful manner? Are there records that show who owns that land in the village? Let us find out how it is done. Measuring land and keeping land records is the main work of the Patwari. Patwari is also known as village officer. We will refer to this officer at Patwari. Each Patwari is responsible for a group of villages. The Patwari maintains and uploads the records of the village. The map and the corresponding details from the register on the next page are a small part of the records kept by the Patwari. The Patwari usually has ways of measuring agricultural fields. In some places, a long chain is used. In the above instance, the Patwari would have measured both Mohan's and Regu's field and compared them with the measurement on the map. If they did not match, then it would be clear that the boundary of the field has been changed. The Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land revenue from the farmers and providing information to the government about the crops grown in this area. This is done from the records that are kept, and this is why it is important for the Patwari to regularly update up to date this. Farmers many changes the crops grown on their fields, or someone may dig a well somewhere. And keeping track of all this the work of the revenues department of the government.